Hello students. In the first chapter we studied about food and its sources, and we understood that food is an eatable substance that humans and animals eat to get energy for the growth and maintenance of their body. And we also listed variety of food items and the ingredients used to prepare them. Children, the ingredients used to prepare the food items contain some components. These components are very important and they are essential for our body. I already mentioned about these components in chapter 1. In this chapter, let us learn more about it. So, our second chapter is components of food. Children, we eat different food items, and these food items are prepared using different ingredients. For example, to prepare dosa, we use the ingredients like rice, urd dal, salt and water. And these ingredients which we use to prepare the food item contain different components which are very essential for our body. The components of the food ingredients which are very essential for the growth and maintenance of our body are called as nutrients. The major nutrients which are present in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. In addition to these nutrients, our food also contains dietary fibers and water. Now, let us have a brief discussion about different nutrients, dietary fibers and water and understand what they do for our body. First, let us discuss about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy for our body. Sources of carbohydrates: sweet potato, sugarcane, rice, wheat, maize, fruits like mango, banana, melon, papaya, etc. are rich in carbohydrates. These foods provide energy to our body. Next nutrient is fats. Fats also give energy to our body. But when we compare carbohydrates with fats, fats give more energy than the carbohydrates. Sources of fats: oil, milk products like butter, cream, etc., fish, meat, eggs, etc. are the sources of fat. These food items provide energy to our body. Next nutrient is proteins. Our body needs protein for its growth and repair. Sources of proteins: pulses like moong dal, tur dal, peas, beans, etc. are rich in protein. Animal foods like fish, meat, egg, milk, paneer, etc. are also rich in protein. And these food items help our body for its growth and repair. Next nutrient is vitamins. These are needed for the protection of our body from diseases. It also helps in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. Vitamins are of different kinds. They are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and there is a group of vitamin called vitamin B complex. Now, let us see the sources of vitamins. Papaya, milk, fish oil, carrot, mango are rich in vitamin A. Next, wheat, rice, liver are rich in vitamin B. Orange, lemon, tomato, gooseberry, green chilli, etc. are rich in vitamin C. Liver, milk, butter, fish, egg, etc. are rich in vitamin D. Vitamin D is also called as sunshine vitamin. This is because our body produces vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Okay children, now let us see the sources of vitamin E. Oils like sunflower oil, soybean oil and nuts like almond, peanut and seeds like sunflower seeds and then spinach and broccoli, fruits like kiwi, avocado, green olives, etc. are rich in vitamin E. Next, green leafy vegetables, plums, spices, cucumber, lady's finger, etc. are rich in vitamin K. And fruits like prunes, kiwi, etc. are also rich in vitamin K. All these food items which are rich in vitamins help our body to fight against diseases. Next nutrient is minerals. Minerals are required in small quantity but are very important for proper growth and to maintain good health. Minerals help in body processes like digestion, functioning of nervous system, etc. And it also helps to build the body structures like teeth, bones, blood, skin, air and muscles. The important minerals are iodine, iron, calcium, phosphorus, etc. Now let us see the sources of minerals. Sources of iron: spinach, beans, lentils, fruits like watermelon, apple, etc. are the sources of iron. Iron is one of the important component of the blood. Sources of calcium: milk, egg, some fishes, etc. are the sources of calcium. Calcium is needed for the formation of bones and teeth. Sources of iodine: iodized salt, milk, ginger, leafy vegetables, fish and other seafoods are the sources of iodine. Iodine is required for the proper functioning of the thyroid gland. Sources of phosphorus: milk, milk products, meat, banana, nuts, whole grains, etc. are the sources of phosphorus. The main function of the phosphorus is the formation of bones and teeth. Along with these nutrients, our food should also contain dietary fibers and water. Now let us discuss what are these dietary fibers. Dietary fiber is a type of carbohydrate which cannot be digested by our body. Children, our body can absorb the nutrients only from the digested food. If we cannot digest the dietary fiber, then why it is essential in our food? It is an essential component of our food because it helps our body to get rid of undigested food and it prevents constipation. Okay, now let us see the sources of dietary fibers. Dietary fibers are provided by plant foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, etc. Dietary fibers are also known as roughage. The next important component of our food is water. Water is very important component of our food because it helps to carry out various chemical reactions inside our body. It also helps our body to absorb nutrients from the digested food. It also helps in throwing some waste materials from our body in the form of urine and sweat. Children, from where does our body gets water? Our body gets water from the liquids what we drink. We drink liquids like water, juice, milk, tea, coffee, etc. And many food materials like fruits and vegetables themselves contain water. And when we eat these food materials, water enters inside our body. And also when we cook the food, we add water to cook it. By this way, the water enters inside our body and helps in the proper functioning of our body. So children, drink enough water for the proper functioning of your body. Okay children, we learnt about different components of food in this video. I'll continue the next part of the lesson in the next video. Thank you.